as successful as the one they had in their last ball game. Shaq Alanes straight to the cup. Raise it up and in.
He missed out on that pass. Ito si Shaq Alanes, like what we mentioned, he really just gotta keep on going.
Fast break of the game brought to you by Sports Plus.
Anywhere soon, especially them, building this huge lead.
Eloy Tan.
Ooh.
Reward pass. Olegario in a foot race. Tan tried to challenge it.
Scouting dahil kalaban nila susunod itong Valenzuela at paghahandaan nila sigurado itong team na ito. Of course, that Quezon City team also having a good run. And
Robinson, nasa loob na para sa Valenzuela Dark Horse. Oliado, no hesitation.
Yeah.
Drills in. Winner. That time a miss though by Jelo Obuyes. Rim run by Adi Santos. He is free on the other end. He will score.
for the most part, defensively, gets to cover the other big men or the scorers of the opponent. So you love that he's scoring. Nice block, good help by Marvin Janicio.
Robinson attacks, puts it in.
Little rucker, step through the middle on a 2-foot jump stop. Had to get through the body of Marvin Janicio.
And that time a miss from beyond the arc from Vala Cunha. Mamaradlo using his brute strength down low to finish and cut the lead down to 2.
The way that he got that ball on the low block and lakas ng katawan, tapos pa rin niya yun.
Fontanilla
Good block.
smothered by Jelo Obuyes. Acuna tries another 3, wala. Oliado with a rebound, got it back. Obuyes to tie it up! 54 apiece! What a run! And also, kapansin-pansin na every time ay tatawagin siya, he's really demonstrative on what he's trying to impart to his players.
Yes.
Vala Cunha connects on a 3.
Vala Cunha, and he is definitely in their possession. By possession, he's not just sitting down, he's talking to his players.
Mamaradlo sumugod sa loob. Supalpal, inabot niya kay Marvin Janicio. Obuyes spinning, putting up a shot, and he puts it in. Quite an impact. Alanes, nakabuelo, laying it up and in, plus a foul.
That drive because he cleared that space, and as soon as he left, saka siya pinalitan ni Shaq Alanes, and with that handoff on the left side drive.
Mark Cruz, Santos inside, wala, tip in is good.